Now this is the review of the Marvo K680 keyboard, if I remember correctly. I unboxed it on the channel, and someone or some people wanted a review. Well, here's the review. It's a great keyboard, but there is one issue with it. Sometimes when I game, if I press down the space, um, it keeps jumping. Not the space, the character. If I don't know, play like some game where you have to jump with space. I press down space, the character keeps jumping. Space comes back, like it doesn't stay down there, doesn't get stuck. The character just keeps jumping. The same thing happens with A and D. If I press down D and I release it, sometimes my character will just go right and won't stop until I press another key or I just press it again. The same thing happens with A. If I press A, sometimes it just goes left and it won't stop. Sometimes it happens with W and S too, but not as many times as it happens with A and D and space. Now these buttons here are really cool because they are very useful, to be honest. Not these ones. These ones are not useful, worthless, but these are useful. These three. Um, yeah. Now the game with it is great. We'll show you the light. It, man, sorry, I just woke up 5 minutes ago and I need to do the review quickly because I have to go soon. I'm sorry if I say anything just dumb. Okay, yeah. So the keys are nice. It's nice to play with it, but the issue with the keys and just it's just too bad. See, even this thing is on it, right? You didn't take it off, right? So, do I recommend it? Well, no, because I'm sure you can find better ones for less, or maybe for less. Maybe it is just my luck, because I have this kind of luck. But what if it's not? What if you're going to get a keyboard like this and it's going to be broken? See, you don't know, and I don't know either. So I wouldn't buy it again, obviously, because of my bad experience. It might be great for you. So if I find the link, because I bought it from a store, if I find the link, I'm going to put it in the description. And if I'm not going to find the link, there won't be anything in the description. Okay, now I just want to thank you for watching, and I will show you how the lights work and how to change them.